Create a new model. The size can be set according to your raw material size. It is not the actual cutting size. Just edit or draw within this range. Choose inches or mm according to your needs. It is important to choose the origin position. This must be the same as the work origin position you set on the machine. If you set the origin at the center position, you need to set the origin of XY on the machine and also be at the center of the material. According to the mechanical origin of the machine produced by our company is in the lower left corner. So we will also set the work origin at the lower left corner. Draw graphics according to your needs. Or you can import vector graphics designed by other software. DXF, AI, PLT files. If you want a figure to move up, down, left, and right to a fixed position, you can press and hold the Alt and arrow keys on the keyboard. Then enter the distance you need. If you want to copy another figure at the same distance, Ctrl plus Alt plus arrow keys. Select the graphics to be cut. Use the profile function. Select the cutting position. Start cutting to 0. Finish cut to the depth that needs to be cut. When choosing a tool, if you don't find the tool you need, you can add a tool yourself. Fill in the tool name, diameter, cutting depth each time, spindle speed, cutting speed, and down cutting speed. Set the safe distance between the tool and the material when the machine is working. Define the thickness of the material. If you choose to set the working origin of the Z-axis at the top of the material, then you need to move the tool to the top of the material on the machine, and then Z0. Select the working origin of the Z-axis to be set at the bottom of the material. Then on the machine you need to move the tool to the bottom of the material, and then Z0. if you want to choose to make any switch pocket holes. Please pay attention to the operation method. Save the prepared file and save it as G-code. You can use our company's dedicated post processor. You can also choose a suitable post processor for your machine. Copy the prepared file to the machine controller and it can run normally.